Hi, Garima. Okay, if Garima was an animal, who would she be? Garima gives the best hugs in the world, so I think she would be a bear, and because also she's also very white, so I would say she would be a polar bear. Okay, uh, where would you send Garima on her birthday? Her best vacation place. अब यार वो पोलर बियर है तो मैं उसको आर्टिक पे ही भेजूंगी, पोल पे भेज दूंगी. आई थिंक दैट वुड बी द बेस्ट वेकेशन प्लेस फॉर हर. Where would Garima spend all her money? I don't think she will spend all her money on something like just spend it. She will invest it in a cafe. Okay. Garima is happiest when I think she is with her friends. Her pet line is मुक्की मारूंगी. योर बर्थडे विश, हैप्पी बर्थडे गरू, और ज्यादा मुक्कियां मत मारना आसपास के लोगों को.
Hi Garima. I hope you are surprised because Atin really planned hard for this. So there are a couple of questions that we need to answer for you. I'm going to try my best. If Garima was an animal, who would she be? I think she will be a bear because she's so cuddly, she's so cute, but you dare not mess with her because she can be equally dangerous. Where would you send Garima on her birthday, her vacation place? I think Garima is more of a mountain person, so if I have to send her for a vacation, I would send her to Switzerland because she likes beautiful mountains and she would want to have that elegant trip. Where would Garima spend all her money? Okay, Garima does not spend money without thinking. So, wrong question. But if she has to, I think if she's beautifying something or if she's like building a house, she would not think twice before spending. Garima is the happiest one when? I think she is the happiest when she's with family. Like that matters to her the most. Her family, her very close friend. She's very careful with whom she hangs around with. And guys, if she's chosen you as a friend, you're very lucky. Garima's pet line is, for me, it's always been chal bhag. Abe hato. So, and I love it when she says. And lastly, my birthday wish for Garima. I think Garima, you are the best and you are growing like wine, getting better and better by day. So, plus, age is just a number. I think you got it, girl. Mwah.
Hi Garima, happy birthday. I'm gonna answer a few questions for you. Let's see how I do. The first question is, if you were an animal, what would you be? So I think that you will be a hybrid between a panda and a monkey, just because it's the perfect amount of cuteness and naughtiness, which you have both the elements, so I think that will be. Then the second question is, if I could send you on a birthday, where would it be? I would have to say Manali, because going from the current trend, it just seems to be like one of your favorite destinations and makes you happy, so I would be sending you there. Then if you could just spend your money on something, I think you won't spend money on yourself. Either you will spend it on other people or you will just invest it. Quite responsible you are. It seems like that. Then the fourth question is, what makes you happy? I don't know, for some weird reason, watching Sardarji makes you happy. Good food, of course, but Sardarji is one thing. If I have to pick, like, just to make you happy, you just laugh your head out with that movie. Then, what is your pet line? One thing which I've heard saying you again and again is "Ki farak penna," so maybe that. Then a birthday wish for you. So I don't know how old you are, but somehow you have this characteristic on your face, and you just like, maybe you don't age like a vampire. So don't worry, you do not look your age at all. You are going to stay forever young. And happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day to your fullest, and just keep having fun in life, and just keep being cheerful. You are just amazing. Just amazing, a kind, loving, and a cool girl. I would have to just say that. And you're funny too. I mean, at least you think like that you are funny. So, happy birthday. Enjoy your day a lot. Bye.
If Garima was an animal, she would be a rabbit because of her cuteness quotient. The best vacation place for her would be, I think, Koi Bhi Pahar. If she is going to a mountain, she'll be very happy. So Koi Bhi Pahar is suitable for her. She spends most of her money in, I think, traveling, shopping, but the majority of the money she spends on eating. Could be favorite cheese when she's having. She spends some money a lot on that. Or she's the happiest when, yes, she's having her favorite food. It's like, it's a delight watching her eat her favorite food. She shines and glows a lot. Her favorite line is, "Theek ache, don't worry, Gudiya, everything is fine." Yeah, and Garima, I wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day, and Garima, I wish you all the very best for all your life. Please be happy and keep smiling like you always do. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Enjoy to the fullest. God bless you. Please be happy. Bye.
If Garima was an animal, who would she be?
Black Mamba.
Where would you send Garima on her birthday, her best vacation place?
London.
Where would Garima spend all her money?
Books and pizza.
Garima is happiest when?
When she's painting.
Her pet line is?
Buck and Banchu.
Your birthday wish?
Better let me sing it. Happy birthday.
So Garima's husband has asked me to answer some of the questions about her. So let's get started. The first question is, if Garima was an animal, who would she be? हमारी गरिमा गाय है, गाय. She's the sweetest person I have met, and I think cow suits her the most. So the next question is, where would you send Garima on her birthday? Her best vacation place? I think a cozy cafe up in the hills with a coffee in one hand and a book in the other would be the best vacation place for her. She likes to chill without anybody disturbing her. Next question is, where would Garima spend all her money? Garima would spend all her money on organizers. From tie organizers, clothes organizers, makeup organizers. She can organize everything. So I think she should have been a librarian and not working for E&Y. Okay, the next question is, Garima is happiest when? Okay, Garima is happiest when she dances, because she just loses herself when she dances. She does not need anybody or even the music when she's dancing. So she's the happiest when she's dancing. Her pet line is, I don't think Garima has a pet line, but once in a while or here and there, her Punjaban comes out and she's like, Changa fir, aur kive, chalne hain, all these things. So I wish Garima a very happy birthday and wish that all she has wished for comes true, and stay blessed. Thank you.
Hello. Happy birthday, Garima.
So, your husband has given me a list of questions which I'm supposed to answer. If Garima was an animal, who would she be? A big panda, huggable panda, this big, whom you can hug, because she loves hugging people. Where would you send Garima on her birthday? Her best vacation place? I think somewhere with a lot of good cuisines, a lot of good food. So maybe Thailand, because there is a lot of good food over there. Where would Garima spend all her money? Definitely on her cafe. She has been raving about her cafe for like all the time, and I'm sure whenever she has enough money to invest into it, she will definitely go with that. Garima is happiest when, I think, when she has a lot of good food and good friends with, good company and good food is when she is happiest. Her pet line is मुक्की मारूंगी. हर बात पे वो किसी को भी मुक्की मार सकती है. So I definitely would say her pet line is मुक्की मारूंगी. Your birthday wish to Garima and half a sentence. Happy birthday, Garima. Wish you all the happiness in the world. Wish you all the success in the life. Wish your cafe opens up pretty soon. And wish you don't have to do this shitty career auditing job anymore. And I want a friend for Advik very soon. So that is again one wish I make for you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
हाय गरिमा व्हाट्स अप. सो यार अतन ने ना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट से क्वेश्चन भेजे कुछ आंसर करने के लिए, वो भी तुम्हारे लिए. सो आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट इन दिस. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इफ गरिमा वॉज अ एनिमल, विच एनिमल वुड इट बी? Yeah, I think panda. Because like you're so cute, so adorable, and yeah, someone who likes to chill and take life easy. So yeah, for me it's panda. And then if I have to send you on a vacation somewhere, where will I send? I don't have a place in mind as such, like any place you want to go, but definitely on a solo vacation I'll send you. And then where will Garima spend all her money? Okay, so I'm not very sure about this, but I know Garima loves doing art and craft. So I think you will spend all your money on buying all the craft stuff, like whatever it is, like all the stuff that you use to make crafts. So I think you'll spend all your money in there. And when is Garima happiest? So yeah, I think like she's always a very happy person, but she will be happiest when she's in her own space. Maybe reading a book with a good cup of coffee in hand, and a place where like there's nothing to worry about and she can just chill and relax and everything. So yeah, I think like I tried to answer these questions, but yeah, Garima, wish you a very very happy birthday. I hope the coming year brings a lot of happiness and like all your wishes come true. Well, I don't have a lot of hopes from the next year, but still I hope that whatever it is good for you. And yeah, I hope to meet you soon in person. So yeah, bye, take care, and happy birthday once again. Bye.
If Garima was an animal, who would she be?
Garima would be a bat because she can hear everything from like 100 meters away.
Where would you send Garima on her birthday? Her best vacation place?
That would be Russia, Moscow, St. Petersburg. That'll be her perfect place.
Where would Garima spend all her money?
Owning her next Airbnb in the hills.
Garima is happiest when?
When she's getting treated at a spa.
Her pet line is?
ATR.
Your birthday wish for her?
Don't worry, we have an amazing life ahead. You're gonna have an amazing time and you're gonna have everything that you wish for. But for now, I want you to have a really good time. Have a wonderful, wonderful birthday. Wish you a happy 31. So if Garima was an animal, who would she be?
A bunny rabbit. She would hop to every place.
Where would you send Garima on her birthday? Her best vacation place?
London.
Where would Garima spend all her money?
Nykaa or Myntra.
Garima is happiest when?
When she enters a hotel room and she sees a really comfortable bed and she just jumps.
Her pet line is?
मुझे खानी है मैं बड़ी हूँ.
Your birthday wish in 1 or 2 sentences.
You only turned 31 once, so make it count. Forever 31.
Happy birthday, Gitu.
Happy birthday, Masi! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Masi! Happy birthday to you! Mwah!
I think Garima is happiest whenever she's ordering food. She's happiest whenever she's with all of us. She's not with Atin. She's happiest after she had like couple of drinks and before she spills that out. So I think she is more or less a very happy person. Yeah. Garima's pet line is, which all of us think is very, very true, is यार अति तो कितना बड़ा चूतिया है यार. I think Garima enjoys more of hills as compared to water, but she's just back from the hills, so I don't think so I'm sending her anywhere on her birthday. I think Garima is going to spend all her money on that ghatiya iPhone. Garima, still my advice remains same. Don't buy that phone. It's very expensive. In fact, try to buy a cheaper version of iPhone if you really need it. Yeah. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Garima, Bhabi ji. As always, we can't celebrate your birthday together this year again because last year I was traveling. Last year you were down with jaundice. So let's all try to be together during New Year's. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Garima. I hope you have a really great day and lots of love from the mountains.